Today is all about the joy of cruising.
Oh. Oh. Hi, welcome to Cruise Day Fun. My name is Joy, and this is my husband, Dan.
Hey! So, what are we doing today, Joy?
I don't know.
That's right. Usually we talk about what we're going to do ahead of time, and you help me plan it. You give me ideas. Sometimes you've come up with ideas on your own that I've been surprised on. This time, you get the surprise.
Okay.
Today, we're doing a very special episode. Today is all about the joy of cruising.
Oh. Oh.
What?
You
find that funny?
I thought you were going to say, today we're talking about joy. And I'm like...
Well, that's exactly right. We're talking about joy. So today's episode is the joy of cruising, and I got this idea from my lovely wife, whose name happens to be...
Joy.
Joy, yes. It's obviously got a double meaning. It can. And back when we were planning the names for our channel, I believe there were one or two, maybe three or four. There were several suggestions made by somebody that we include the word joy in the name of our channel.
Okay, maybe
so over a year later, we're going to finally do an episode about the joy of cruising, which was one of the suggested names for the channel.
Yeah.
Okay, the joy of cruising. So, the joy of cruising, of course, we go to the source. We go to joy. So, Joy, I've just got a few questions here for you.
Okay.
And I want you to share your answers, and hopefully they will provide some insights from your experience, and hopefully it'll be enjoyable for everybody.
Okay, yeah.
Enjoyable. Joy.
We should have a drinking game.
No, this is not what we're doing.
Sorry.
Joy.
Yes.
Are you focused?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Question 1. Joy.
Yes.
How do you prepare for a cruise?
I pack.
Okay, could you be more specific? Otherwise, this is going to be a very boring video.
I pack my suitcase and my carry-on, and I make lists of everything I need.
That's right. You're famous for your packing lists.
And
you use those lists later on too, don't you?
Yes.
Yes. How?
So before we leave, I make sure I go through my checklist to make sure I have everything.
You didn't forget anything.
I didn't forget anything.
So it's a packing list. It's also a repacking list. So that's good. Okay, so that's some good ways to prepare for a cruise. Let's move on to the next question. What is the most important thing to do on the first day of your cruise?
Relax.
Okay. These one-word answers are going to kill us. We'll be done real fast here.
No, the first day on the cruise is relax and have fun and just figure out where your ship is or where items are on the ship.
You hopefully try to figure out where your ship is before your first day of your cruise. That way you can get to it, and then I think you mean kind of find the lay of the land, find where everything is on the ship.
Exactly, the lay of the land.
That's good. Yep. A lot of people spend that time before the room's available exploring the ship, and that's not a bad thing to do. Okay. Number 3. Thinking back, what surprised you most about cruising or cruise ships? So, like the first time we went on a cruise, our honeymoon cruise, when you first went on that cruise, what surprised you most about cruising?
It was so large.
The cruise ship was very large.
It's very large, and it didn't feel like we were on a cruise ship because it was pretty steady the whole time. But I had taken Dramamine just in case we had the rolling motion.
So you were surprised you didn't get sick.
Well, yeah.
But you were surprised that it felt like such a large space to be in. You didn't always notice that you were on a ship.
Right. It felt like I was in a very fancy hotel.
Well, yeah.
The other big surprise was there's always so much to do.
That's true. That's definitely true. There's no matter which cruise line you go on, no matter what ship, you can always find something to do. And
I love all the different variety of music that was offered and that the musicians were playing.
Yeah.
So, yeah. That's
a lot of good things. Okay. What is your favorite thing to do on a Carnival cruise?
Well, besides eating Guy's Burger joint, That's the first thing
Yes,
that
we usually
generally do.
Yep, we usually go straight to first to Guy's Burger Joint. That's
And
true.
then get a drink.
Well, okay. Aside from that, what's your favorite thing to do on a Carnival cruise?
Walking.
Walking.
Yeah, I like
You
to
can do
walk.
that on land.
I know, but it's a different walk.
A different walk.
Yeah, you get to walk around and
Like walk
people
around
watch
the running track, the jogging track,
the deck,
the decks.
go through the walk around the floors.
Okay.
So, and people watch.
People watch.
People watching
Okay.
is so amazing.
I'm not sure. I think the Guy's Burger Joint maybe was the best answer because that's really the only thing that's specific to Carnival. Because my next question is going to be, what's your favorite thing to do on a Disney cruise? So try to think of something that's more specifically Disney.
Disney, having brunch at Palo.
Yeah.
That
Palo
was
brunch.
amazing.
Palo,
And the
yeah.
character meet and
Oh,
greets.
you liked meeting
Yep.
Peter Pan and
Yeah.
Mickey and all that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's something you can't really do on the other cruise ships, at least not the Disney characters. I think that would be a little strange if you met Mickey on a Carnival ship.
I think I would have enjoyed the island too if we would have been able to go on the
Yeah,
island.
spoiler alert, if you haven't seen our Disney cruise videos from the Disney Dream that Castaway Key, it was too windy that day. We weren't able to go to Castaway Key.
Wah, wah,
Yeah.
wah.
Okay, so now this next question might not be surprising to you or the viewers, but what's your favorite thing to do on a Royal Caribbean cruise?
Well, they had this fun kind of activity slash, I don't know, incentive thing where you could get a bracelet and then you get charms every day. So that was kind of fun to figure out what the charm would be and stand in line and talk to other people.
Huh,
And,
yeah, I remember you doing that.
And I also like just visiting the different bars and stuff.
Okay.
They all had themes. Not like the other ships have themes, but still.
Okay, but that's something you remember. But
Yeah.
collecting your charms, that's something. So if you go on a Royal Caribbean cruise, be sure that first day you need to check out at the store that sells jewelry, I'm guessing.
Yep.
Go in there and find out, and they'll probably have some sort of a promotion like that too. And
Yeah.
You want to get there right away so you can get every day, I suppose.
Yes.
Okay, so we've been on 4 different cruise lines, multiple cruise ships, but we've been on 4 cruise lines, and the 4th one is Norwegian. So what's your
Norwegian?
favorite thing to do on a Norwegian cruise?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Being with my husband and
You can do that on any cruise ship.
and eating at the specialty dining and going to what is it called? The French bistro, La Bistro.
La Bistro.
And they have the dessert, the fruit fondue.
Fruit
so
fondue.
good.
Yes, you're obsessed with that stuff. Yes. This lady likes her fruit and she likes her fondue, and you put the two together and wow. Okay.
Chocolate.
So our next Norwegian cruise, I guess we're going to La Bistro.
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
As long as we go to Sheehan's, the local, I'm fine with going to La Bistro. They had some good food there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not just all fruit fondue though. Okay, next question. What do you?
The mango meltdown from Norwegian.
Okay, you're going to add another thing, the mango meltdown on Norwegian. Well, other cruise lines have something similar, but I think that was your favorite favorite frozen drink you found on any cruise line is the
Anything
mango meltdown.
mango, so yeah.
I like the Dole Whip on Disney, but anyway, a lot of good stuff out there. So, what do you hope your cruise cabin has when you go on a cruise? What's the favorite feature that you look for in a cruise cabin?
A balcony.
A balcony.
Yeah.
You got expensive taste. Yeah, I like the balcony too. We usually get balconies. We've got actually only one cruise. We've only been on one cruise where we didn't get a balcony, so we do really appreciate the balcony. What's your favorite thing about a balcony? What do you like about it?
I like to see the ocean, and if it's an aft or the back of the ship, I like to see the trail of white foam and stuff.
The wake.
The
yes,
wake.
You like the wake.
Yeah.
Yes, it can be very relaxing to sit there and just watch the wake.
Yeah, and every once in a while you can see a ship going by, or sometimes dolphins or seagulls.
Yes, in different places in not in the wake necessarily. Hopefully not, especially for the seagulls. But okay. What do you hope your cruise cabin bathroom has? And I think I know what your answer is going to be, but let's see what you say.
This may sound strange to people who have not cruised, but I'd like a door for the shower, an actual door, not a curtain, but like a door.
Yeah, and we've talked to other people who agree they don't care for the clingy curtain, and the bathroom tends to be pretty small in the cruise cabin anyway, and so the shower is pretty small, and when you've got a shower curtain, it gets really clingy and wet, and it's nice to have a door on there. So.
Yep. And an actual door on the bathroom too.
Well, yeah, I should hope so.
That's really nice.
Yikes. Okay, so what is your favorite thing to do on a port visit?
I like to window shop.
Okay. She likes to shop for windows. No, you like to look in the shops, yep.
Yep, and I like to feed, if it's possible, the birds or the wildlife.
Okay.
As long as they're not dragons. I eat lizards. Big lizards.
Iguanas. She's talking about the iguanas from Cozumel. You may have heard about from our honeymoon.
They scared me half to death.
Terrorized
they still scare me.
An iguana terrorized her on our honeymoon. How sad.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see that on, we talked about it on actually a few of our videos. Okay, so what is your favorite thing to do on a sea day? That's, for anyone that doesn't know, that's when your cruise ship spends the entire day at sea and doesn't visit any ports. What's your favorite thing on a sea day?
I like either doing trivia. Mm-hmm. And they usually have trivia, taking a dance class, or taking a cooking class, or any type of drinking class.
Drinking class? You need to learn how to drink.
I do know how to drink. Thank you very much.
Okay. All right. Well, hey, some of those things sound like a lot of fun to me. I think I might choose a few different things, but this is the joy of cruising. This isn't the Dan of cruising, so we will continue. Next. What is...
I like how you did that.
Thank you. What is your dream cruise? And by this I mean, what would the itinerary be? What ports would you want to visit?
My dream cruise, I have 2 of them.
Okay, well, that's kind of cheating, but this is joy of cruising. Do as you wish.
The first one would be a cruise in Asia, where we'd stop at Seoul.
Well, I think Seoul's inland, but we could stop at Busan.
We'd stop in Busan. We'd stop in Thailand and Japan. That would be really cool. Yeah. And then the next cruise would be a Scandinavian cruise where we go through the fjords of Norway, stop at Sweden, maybe stop in Germany, in Austria. Are they on the coastline?
I don't think you can go to. I think Munich. Maybe our buddy Morgan from the very unofficial Travel Guides can tell us for sure, but I think Munich is.
I'm sorry, everyone. I was horrible in geography.
I've been to Berlin, and I can tell you that's not near the ocean at all.
Okay.
So, but yeah. So anyway, a northwestern European, a northern.
Stop in
Scandinavian
Ireland and Scotland.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. A lot of great places to visit there. Okay. So, what do you wish? What do you wish if you had the power to say, what would you have them add to cruise ships that they haven't already added?
Oh, they need to add a Korean restaurant, a Korean grill restaurant.
Okay.
And another thing is have like an African restaurant, like Ethiopian.
Okay. I know you like Ethiopian food.
So good.
And the Korean, are you talking like Korean barbecue, or are you
Korean
talking
barbecue or Korean grilling? That'd be so good.
Okay, so you could get your kimbap and your bulgogi and all that good stuff.
Yeah, good stuff.
Why haven't they done that? And hey, if you know of a cruise line or a cruise ship that has that that we haven't experienced, let us know in the comments.
Or add Thai with Korean. That'd be kind of cool.
That'd be quite a fusion there.
Yeah.
Okay. Getting a few more questions here.
Okay.
What is the best thing about cruising? The very best thing.
The best thing about cruising is you're on vacation with the favorite person, my husband.
They are?
Well, if they're married, but
it's okay. Okay, you and I are together, yes, and we're on vacation.
And we're on vacation, and we don't have to worry about work, about bills, about life.
Yep. That's not until the last day when they give you the bill for the cruise.
Oh yeah.
Okay, anyway.
Yeah.
What do you say to people who don't think they would enjoy a cruise? What would you tell somebody who's like, "Oh, I don't think cruising's for me"?
So, I would say have you ever thought of being treated like a queen or king, where everything is provided for you?
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to worry about cleanup, about anything,
Mm-hmm.
And you're treated like a queen or a king that you are.
That's very
And-
yeah.
And you wake up every day at a new port,
Mm-hmm.
and
If it's a port day, yeah. Some days are sea days. You're out at sea.
true,
You wake up and you just see water.
yeah,
Yes,
but and
yes.
and the fear of drowning or anything like that is so minimal chance.
Yeah, you'll probably be okay. So to the person who's not so sure they want to go on a cruise, you'll be like, hey, you'll be a queen. Hey, you'll see land sometimes. And hey, you probably won't drown.
You'll enjoy really good food and meet wonderful people, and that you may not meet again, so
Yeah.
you can act however way you want to.
Okay. Okay. So she lets her wild side out when we're on a cruise, apparently.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Okay. So a couple more questions. What is the most important thing to do on the last day of your cruise? Most important thing on the last day of your cruise.
Double check that you have everything. Go through your list. Make sure.
Go back to that packing list.
Yes, make sure you have everything, and make sure if you decided to purchase alcohol that you go get your alcohol.
Don't forget your alcohol. That's an important one.
And make sure you also tip your room steward
Sure.
and everybody.
It says most important thing.
Oh, what's the most important thing?
You listed a lot of things. So that's fine.
Oh,
That's
well-
fine. Unless there's something major you forgot that you think is more important than all those.
To thank the staff.
Thank the staff.
Thank the staff.
Each 1,118 people. Thank all of them. Thank the people that you can. Yes.
Thank the people that you can, because
Yes.
they appreciate it.
Yes. So that is the joy of cruising. If you've enjoyed this video, what should they do?
Give us a thumbs up.
That's right. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe with the notification bell on so you know when we have a new video coming out.
Definitely.
And most of all, I would like to thank Joy.
And I'd like to thank my husband, Dan.
No. This is the joy of cruising. This isn't the Dan of cruising. But most of all, we actually do. We really need to thank all of you for watching.
We do appreciate all of you.
Thanks for
And
watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.